Hello my lovelies, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be playing around with new makeup. I just bought a bunch of makeup from Nars and I've honestly never tried any Nars makeup ever in my life, so I am so super excited to get into this. Before we get into the video, don't forget to like this video, comment down below, subscribe to my channel, and to click that notification bell so you will know every time I put up a new video. Let's do it, let's try out new Nars makeup. First up is this Nars Radiant Concealer and I'm in the shade Custard. I already did my base and brows off camera. I used my Believe Beauty foundation and I also used my Eyeshadow eyebrow pencil for my eyebrows. So now let's get into this concealer. Now this is just a sample size. This isn't a full size product because I just got this one for free. I'm gonna put this on my under eyes. I think 3 is enough, and I'll also conceal this little pimple. I don't know if you guys saw that. I'll also put a bit on my forehead, down my nose. I also have a little, I have so many pimples. I also have one right there. Then I'll also put here on my chin and on the side of my nose because there's always some darkness happening over there. You know, this smells really good and it feels really liquidy. I thought it would be a bit creamy feeling. It takes a bit of time to blend out with my finger, but I think for the pimples and everything else, I think it was great to use the finger, especially right here in this area. You don't quite see it. I mean, it's not super duper full coverage, but it does have some coverage. I'm gonna use a brush for this side and see if there is a difference. I definitely got more coverage when I blended it out using my finger, but the brush really smoothed everything out. So I think the best way to apply this concealer would be to go in with your finger first, spread it out, you know, put all the coverage you want, and then just lightly put the brush over it so that everything looks nice and smooth. And you know, looking at this, I'm starting to see my pimple appear again. So I'm just gonna try that one more time. So far so good. I'm really liking this concealer. I mean, it's not the most full coverage concealer, but it does give you like a natural type of finish. It's not too shiny, it's not too matte either, and it also doesn't feel heavy on the skin, which I really love, especially for concealer. Since I put it on my under eyes, I don't want my under eyes to feel, you know, heavy or anything. Okay, so now that I put this all over my face, I need to set my face, but I don't have any Nars powder, so I'm gonna be using my Eyeshadow powder. I love this one. I use this all the time, so I hope they work well together. Now I'm gonna try this Nars Eyeshadow Base. Now I don't usually use an eyeshadow base, so I thought it would be a great thing to try out today. So this is how it looks like. It's white. I'm not quite sure how good this will be since it is white, but you know, let's see. I don't even know how much to put on my eye. I feel like I need more. Just add a bit more. Ooh, this feels really sticky, and I'm honestly not even sure if I should set this with powder first or go straight into the eyeshadow. Oh wow, that feels nice and sticky after I blended it out. Like, I feel stickiness on my eye, so if that's what it was supposed to do, then yeah, I think it did it well. So I feel like now I'll go straight into the eyeshadow. Let's see. For eyeshadow, I have this Nars Afterglow palette. This is a beautiful palette. It has a mix of matte and metallic shades, so I'm just gonna put this all over my lid. I'm gonna start with this brown color right here for my crease. This is definitely pigmented. I just dipped my brush once and this is everything I got, which I think is pretty good. I've only put down one color, but I'm already impressed with the pigmentation and it's just so blendable and I really love how it looks on my eye. I'm so impressed so far with the matte shade. So now I'm gonna try a metallic shade. I'm gonna get this bronze color right here. I'll use my finger for this one because I usually use my finger for metallic shades. So I'm just gonna put this on the outer edge of my eye. That is stunning. I mean, do you guys see that? That looks really good. I'm very impressed with this metallic shade because it is so buttery smooth. Usually with other metallics I've tried, there's a bit of roughness to it because of the glitter, but this one, the glitter is so fine, it is so smooth, and it looks so good on the eye. I'm gonna do another metallic shade. I think I'll go into this one right here. It's like a little rose gold type of moment, and I think this would look great in the middle of the eye. Oh, that is stunning. I really like that. Next up is this high pigment long wear eyeliner. This is how it looks like, so I'm gonna attempt to do my eyeliner with this. Honestly, I am so used to doing using powder eyeliner, so I'm really kind of scared to do this one, but at the same time I kind of want to try it, so let's see what ends up happening. Okay, a bit of a challenge for me because this is not sharp at all and it's just not working out for me. You know what, I feel I need to sharpen this even though this is new. I just bought it. I don't understand why I have to sharpen it right away. It should already come sharp, right? This is how it looks like. Round 2, let's see. A little bit better. So this actually looks way better than I thought it could look, but now I have to try to make it even, so I don't know. I'm finally done with my eyeliner and I don't think I'm gonna be using this again. I'm just not so used to using a pencil for my eyeliner and I kind of overdid it. I feel like because I had to make it even and because I had to make sure everything was straight, that the eyeliner just became thicker and thicker, and I don't really like that. And I kind of had a problem with this also. I mean, I had to keep sharpening it and then it just at some point became so crumbly. Like there was just a lot of eyeliner crumbs on my face at some point. So yeah, this is a no for me, but if you guys like eyeliner pencils, maybe you like this, but definitely a no for me. Good thing this was just free because I would have been so sad if I paid for this. Now I'm gonna finish my eye look. I'm gonna be taking this shade on my inner corners. It's just this light gold type of shade and I think it would look great right there on the inner corner. Yeah, that really opens up the eye. I really love doing this. Now I'll do these 2 shades on my lower lash. These are the shades that I put on my eyes, so I just thought the same colors would look good under as well. Done with the eyes. Now I'm gonna go into this mini Seduction set. These are the little minis in the set. So we have the Climax mascara, we also have this Raw Seduction lipstick, and of course their popular Nars Orgasm blush. I'm gonna start with this Nars Climax mascara. So this is how the wand looks like. I'm gonna put it on my upper lashes. This actually made such a big difference. My lashes look longer and thicker and they actually look pretty good. It did kind of bleed to the bottom part, but that's okay. I'm just gonna wait for it to dry and then I'll remove it. My lashes look pretty great and I am so impressed with this one. I mean, it really made it so good. It looks so thick and it made it look so long and it just feels really, really good on the lashes. I'm definitely gonna use this again. I think, wow, this is such a great product. I'm so impressed. Now I'm gonna try this Nars Orgasm blush. This is the mini and this is how it looks like. This one is their most popular blush shade, so I'm so excited to try it today. So I'm just gonna get my blush brush and put it on my cheeks. Oh, that looks really good. So it has beautiful pigment to it. It's such a great shade and it also has a bit of a sheen to it, so it's kind of like you're highlighting and putting blush at the same time. This is such a great blush shade. I see why people love it so much. Definitely gonna use this one again. I really, really like how it looks on my skin. For lips, I'm gonna be using this Nars Raw Seduction lipstick. I really like this one. It smells good, it looks good, it feels so good on the lips, and the shade is actually pretty good. I mean, especially for my skin tone, I love shades like this. It's basically a nude but with a hint of pink, and I think this looks really, really great with the whole look. This is it. This is the finished look using all of my new Nars products. Overall, I am very impressed with all of the products, of course, except for the eyeliner thing. Maybe I'm not gonna use that ever again, but everything else, I really love it. The eyeshadow, the mascara, the lipstick, the blush, I think everything was really great. I mean, even the concealer and then the eye primer thing, I mean, that's not something I usually use, but I think I'm gonna start using this one so much more. Overall, I'm so happy with how this look turned out. I'm also really impressed with all of the products, and definitely this is something that is worth your money. I mean, I know a lot of them are pretty pricey, but I feel like especially the eyeshadow and the blush and the lipstick, I mean, this is really something that I can definitely see myself using again. I love this look so much, and I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys on my next one. Mwah.